The butter chicken ball is our signature dish at Plaza Premium Lounge in Dubai. I am passionate about bringing the authentic taste of my home to our guests here. My journey with food began in my childhood, cooking simple dish like a Rajma-chawal with my mother. When I tasted butter chicken first time in Old Delhi restaurant, it's truly inspired me and it's unforgettable. In our butter chicken ball, we use fresh locally sourced ingredients, ripe tomato, high quality chicken and fresh cream come together with a blend of spice. Both India and Dubai share a love for high quality spice which enhance the flavor and make it suitable for everyone's palate. Working in airport it's slightly challenging because sometimes we can't get our preferred tool inside. However, these limitations sparks creativity. I use my method to ensure that the butter chicken ball retain the authentic taste while meeting the needs of our guests. To get that creamy, rich sauce, we marinate the chicken with spice and simmer it slowly in a blend of tomato and cream. The balance of flavors is crucial, perfect for both newcomers and those familiar with Indian cuisine. I want our guests to feel comfortable and nostalgia when they taste the dish, like they are enjoying home-cooked meal. Each ball reflects my journey as a chef, filled with love and memory. Sometimes guests are pleasantly surprised to find such authentic Indian flavor at the airport. I am Chef Subhash. Come to Plaza Premium Lounge in Dubai and try my signature dish, butter chicken ball.